I do believe it's important to appoint female judges, and I do think that there have been significant steps in this regard, but they have not been in any way as significant as the steps that have been taken in relation to race. I think that the last 2 years, under the chairmanship of Chief Justice Mogoeng, we have seen the Judicial Service Commission seriously addressing the issue of gender appointments. It's disappointing to see only 3 out of 20 candidates in this round, but there have been previous rounds where there have been significant numbers of females appointed as judges, both from amongst the ranks of attorneys, the lawyers call the sidebar, and also from the ranks of university professors. I was appointed from where I was an associate professor at the University of Cape Town when I was appointed, and Justice Yvonne Mokoro, who was the other female judge on the Constitutional Court, was also appointed from an academic position. We look less at academic appointments now, which I think is unfortunate. I also think we are seeing mostly appointments from the bar, and perhaps to some extent from the sidebar. There are many women in practice. Of course, some of them don't want to be judges. The appointment about which I've been most distressed, in a sense, is the Constitutional Court itself, which started out as the most diverse court in the country in 1994, even though in today's terms, its diversity then it was quite poor. There are 11 members of the court, and in 1994, that was made up of 7 white members and 4 black members, 9 male judges and 2 female judges. Today, we have a completely different pattern. There's 1 vacancy on the court, but there are 7 black judges and 3 white judges, so a complete changeover in terms of numbers in that regard. But we still only have 2 females. Now, it's not that there haven't been good females who've made themselves available for appointment to the court, and indeed, the Judicial Service Commission has quite repeatedly shortlisted women for the court, but they have never been selected off the shortlist by the President, and that, I think, is a matter of concern.